Are you ready to meet a smartphone that combines style, power, and affordability? The Samsung Galaxy A05s is here to redefine what a budget phone can do. With stunning visuals, powerful performance, and game-changing updates for 2025, this phone is your perfect tech companion. Stay tuned, because what you're about to see will blow your mind. The Samsung Galaxy A05s features a 6.7-inch FHD PLS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, delivering vibrant visuals. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset and an octa-core CPU, it ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks. The phone offers 4 GB or 6 GB RAM options and 64 GB or 128 GB internal storage, expandable via microSD. Its triple rear camera setup includes a 50MP main sensor, a 2MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor, complemented by a 13MP front camera for selfies. A robust 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging keeps the device running all day. Initially launched with Android 13 and One UI Core 5.1, the A05s combines functionality and affordability in a sleek package. Now, let's talk updates. In 2025, the Samsung Galaxy A05s is set to receive the One UI 7 update based on Android 15, marking its second and final major OS upgrade. This update will introduce new design elements, enhanced AI features, and improved privacy settings, ensuring the device stays competitive. Additionally, Samsung continues to provide quarterly security updates, with the January 2025 patch addressing vulnerabilities and improving system stability. These updates, combined with the phone's consistent support until 2027, ensure that the Galaxy A05s remains secure and efficient for users. The Samsung Galaxy A05s proves that you don't need to break the bank to get a reliable smartphone with solid performance and long-term updates. What do you think about the A05s? Let us know in the comments below. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Talk for more tech reviews and updates. See you in the next video.